Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Hairunisa Putri Purnamanisi. I'm from State Islamic University Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. I'm going to explain about moment of inertia. Inertia, surely you often heard the word, even when you are in junior high school and senior high school also discussed. Which speaks, still objects will remain silent without any outside force that influence them. This time, what of moment of inertia? The formula moment of inertia. Example moment of inertia in everyday life and its application of moment of inertia. Example moment of inertia in everyday life. 1. Have you ever climb motorcycle with high speed, then brakes suddenly? Now, when the motor that you climb is speeding, the diagram suddenly, then at the moment, there is motorcycle trying to prevent the movement. Thus, the train also apply stationary object. Take the example, place a piece of HVS paper on the table. Then, put an eraser on HVS paper. Pull the HVS paper quickly. What happened? The eraser remains on the table. It means that the natural nature of the object tends to sustain its silent state. Moment of inertia is the tendency of an object to keep the condition either silent or still moving. This moment of inertia is also often referred to as the weakness of an object. Please note the law of inertia or the law of Arrhenius is the same term as Newton's first law. This law was formulated by Isaac Newton, who we must have encountered in junior high school. Newton's first law reads that objects that are not given an external style will tend to retain their circumstance. An object tries to sustain its very dependent moment of inertia. The greater the moment inertia, then things will be difficult to move. Conversely, a small inertia moment causes object to be easily moved. A moment or moment of style is the result of time between style and the moment's leaves. So, moment of inertia is a measure of the weakness or tendency of an object to rotate against its axis. The moment of inertia of an object depends on several factors, namely the mass of object or particle, the geometry of the object, the layout of the swivel object, the distance to rotating axis of object. The moment of inertia, a mass object that has a rotatory point on a known axis, is formulated as follows. This formulate, where m is a mass of particle objects, kilograms, and r is the distance between particle or element mass element against the rotatory axis, meter, for solid objects with unassuming geometry. The moment of inertia is calculated as a large mass distribution of object by the rotatory axis distance by an object to define its position from rotating motion. Moment of inertia is the measure of resistance or weakness of an object to a change in rotation motion. The moment of inertia depends on the mass distribution of object relative to the rotation axis object because the torque done by the I small, the angular momentum of skier is approaching constant. When he pulled his hand in toward his body, his moment of inertia against the vertical axis through his body was reduced because of its angular momentum L sum together I omega. Because mass remains constant when I decrease its angular velocity, omega increases. That is, it rotates at a faster pace. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.